everyone. My name is Master Brenda Sibiorda. I live in Passages, Arabel, Bulacan. My age is 16.
I'm Rain Arian A. Villapane. I live in Balagtas, BMA, San Rafael, Bulacan. I'm 16. My name is Cortez. I live in San Rafael, Bulacan, and I'm 16. You're there, right? Yeah. I'm Rain.
Oh, hi. I'm Max. Which team did you go? Okay. Excuse me.
So you're the transfer that our team were mentioned. Yeah. Do you want to take a picture?
It was really fun.
Yeah, thank you for taking me on a tour.
Oh, it's my pleasure. So, if you don't mind me asking, why did you transfer?
Oh, well, I was bullied in my previous school.
What? Why?
Basically because my dad is a criminal.
What was his crime?
Well, he was caught dealing with drugs. Though I know he would never do that, but his siblings did, so...
So that's why your father gets judged, because of his siblings' drug addiction?
Yes, you're right. Anyways, let's change topic. Marcus is your best friend, right?
Yes, is that really obvious?
Yeah, because it seems like you do everything together.
We do. We actually do.
Anyway, do you know Marx has the same last name as the officer that killed my dad?
Oh, do you know that Mark's father is also a policeman?
Oh, really? What a small world. It would be fun if he's on this District 892.
Oh, they are the same. Uncle Jaden can help you to find a culprit.
Call him Uncle?
Yes, I always go to Mark's house. I go there all the time.
Oh, really?
Yes, maybe Uncle Jaden can find you a culprit.
Oh, no, it's okay. Let's not bother him.
No, Uncle Jaden is nice. Don't you worry. He'll help you.
But I can just ask Marx about it.
Okay, let's go. I can come with you. ACL, I'll wait for your time.
Yeah, man. My dad got him dead, man. That's awesome.
Mark's dad was the culprit all along? No wonder there were so many coincidences. Who knew I'd find that police officer here of all places?
You should invite your dad to play next time here. You know, really big sniper for our neighborhood. Oh, wait. I'll drag you asking. What's your asking?
Rain!
What's wrong, CL?
I overheard Mark said his dad shot someone dead and he's proud of it.
But Uncle Jaden would never do such a thing.
Do you know any information that could find him as a culprit?
All I know that we have a gun.
That's all the information I need.
No, wait, not CL. Our gun too.
Andros, I know who killed my dad.
After ignoring us for a year, you're finally calling?
Please help me.
What makes you think I want to?
My dad deserved justice. He was your brother too. You know he would never do that. He only despised you because he found out you were dealing with drugs. You know he's not like you.
What do you want me to do then?
Make the police officer that killed my dad regret what he did.
Alright, I'll see what I can do.
Transfer is not here today. I wonder why.
I know, I'm worried about the officer.
Well, there's nothing wrong.
Probably not.
Okay, everyone, let's start the class.
Well, just say out loud we didn't heard you then talking about
Oh,
it.
wait, sorry, I cannot do this for you.
No, it's okay. Let's just talk about it later.
Hey Dad, why did you call? Oh, I brought some food for you and your cousin. Could you go outside to get it really quick? Okay Dad, on the way there.
Hey, Mark, are you okay now?
Hey, me and my dad will never know. No one live with us. Yeah, we're cousins after all.
I told my uncle.
Hello, Uncle Aldrin.
Hello, Marx. Is there a problem?
I was wondering, can I live with you and Arthur for now? I'll work for you, for your company, in exchange.
Sure, you can, but you don't have to work. Just come and live with us.
No, I insist. I can't live with you for free, Uncle.
Are you sure you want to work?
Yes, I'm sure.
Alright, just here to the headquarters. Later than my workers. They will help you.
Got it, Uncle. Thank you.
It's really no problem. Bye now.
Bye, Uncle.
Hey, Marks, I really need to tell you something about your dad.
What about my dad? Do you know anything about my dad?
Well, the day before your father was killed, Chelsea had told me a story about how her father died. And she told me that her father was wrongly accused about dealing drugs and was killed by a police officer. A police officer who was in the same district and the same last name as your dad.
How is that important?
At first, Chelsea didn't think anything of it until she heard you saying that your father shot someone dead. After that, I couldn't stop her from leaving.
I would never say that. My dad could never shoot an innocent person.
But she believed he could.
Wait, are you accusing me of getting my dad killed?
Yes, I am.
I say I would never do that. I only know him for a day, but I know her that much.
But there's no other suspect.
Rain, let's stop this nonsense. I have to do something important anyway. See you.
Oh, it must be Boss's nephew.
Come here, I'll show you what to do.
Dealing drugs and was killed by a police officer. A police officer who was in the same district and the same last name as your dad.
What Rain said was true, but it was not for my dad. It was for Uncle Aldrin.
The report about the drug dealings was right around here. I have to deal with this quickly. They are my employees. They are the ones reported. Perfect.